when a headache becomes a migraine, what to do when the head is just aching, and is it different from what to do when it's a real trouble like migraine?
Yeah, migraine, of course, is a type of headache. In Ayurveda, we explain 11 types of headaches.
Gosh.
When we
You
talk
can get a headache just from hearing that.
Yeah, that's true. You can get a headache by understanding all the different types of headache. But, just appreciate the knowledge. It's such a minute and such, specific. They tell you, like, if the pain is like this type, this is this kind of headache. If the pain is of this type, this. Because, see, in the modern times, if you talk of migraine or headache, just headache, take a painkiller and just relieve the headache. But here,
everyone has a headache. Just get over it.
Yeah, here we have headache can be due to Vata, due to Pitta, due to Kapha. It can be due to some outer climate. It can be due to some other reasons. So there are many reasons for that. And if you really want to get rid of headache, because I have seen some people really suffering from migraine for years, 20 years, 25 years, nothing works on them. Even the painkillers doesn't work. They have to just bear the pain. That's when they come to Ayurveda, and I'm happy to tell you and tell all the viewers that in Ayurveda we have wonderful treatments for headaches.
Yeah,
even the chronic ones. Because we try
to treat the head only. Right?
We go to the root cause. Headache can be due to many reasons. Can be due to constipation. Can be due to cold. Can be due to some indigestion.
And again, the mental stress.
Can be due to mental stress. Can be due to insomnia because you didn't sleep properly last night. It can be due to hyperacidity. There are so many reasons for headache. And if we don't address this, the problem is people don't want to look at the cause. They take a tablet and it's gone. And it continues. When it becomes chronic, it can convert into a migraine pain, which is very severe.
It's very severe.
One part of your head or behind the eyes, you feel vomiting, you have intense pain, you can't look at the lights, you can't hear any noise because it actually...
Sometimes you cannot move out from the bed.
Yeah, because according to Ayurveda, it actually affects your nerves. Nerves become so stressed. So that's why in Ayurveda we tell, okay, put some almond oil in your nose. Very effective. If you put few drops of almond oils in your nose before you go to bed, massage your head nicely with any oil, every day. This will nourish the nerves. It will relax the nerves. Do some breathing exercises. Or very simple, you can, in Ayurveda we have a lot of nice treatments like the Shirodhara treatment. It's very effective. You can also have a leaf of cabbage and make a paste of this and apply on the forehead. It helps. You can apply sandalwood paste, very effective. If you have some sandalwood wood or powder, make a paste and apply it on the forehead. It relieves immediately, very nice. But most important, what I have seen about migraines, majority of the people, when they have this nausea and vomiting, even they vomit sometimes, it's all acid. Bile is coming out, yellow and bitter bile is coming out. So there's too much acidity. And many people have told me that whenever I have too much acidity, this actually triggers my headaches.
Right.
So try to avoid acidic foods, tea, coffee, alcohol, all those spicy and
cold
sour
drinks like those sour drinks.
Cold drinks and anything which is acidic, Because when acidity will increase, it will rise up. It will hit the nerves, it will make them tense, and you get a migraine.
And the problem is with headache and stress and migraine maybe also, is that once you're stressed, you forgot about the causes. You're very concentrated about what is now happening in your head.
Yeah.
So how to do this step back and see, Jesus,
of course, we are not against anything instant. You can take some instant remedy which helps to relieve the pain, but don't neglect the cause. This is what I'm trying to say. Majority of the people, they don't even want to know the cause. Because when you go to the doctors, you just want some medicine for the pain.
So when you get a headache, then you should remember, okay, the cause. What's the cause of my headache?
Yeah, because in Ayurveda, we as I just mentioned, there are nicely described what are the causes, what is the root of the manifestation of disease, how does it manifest. It's also described, like what is the first thing, Okay, first Pitta is increased, then Pitta will move up, or it's going into the nerves and it's making them more tense and stressed, or it could be due to Kapha, or it could be due to Vata. So this is the beauty of Ayurveda. Again, I tell you, I always use this word, the beauty of Ayurveda, because it helps you to understand the basic cause, the root cause of the disease. And this is, again and again, I will tell all of you, any problem in your body, first ask question why. Why do I have this problem?
Please. And not how to fix it.
How to fix is easy.
After you know.
This is the problem is everybody is thinking how to fix it. Yeah. They don't ask why I have this. Why only I have, why the other person in my house or in my friend circle or anybody doesn't have it. Something is wrong with my system. I have to take the responsibility. Something is wrong in my system. That means I have done something wrong in my food, in my lifestyle, in my mental thinking, or my, there are different levels in Ayurveda we explain where the disease can originate. It can originate from the intellectual level, misuse of intelligence. We call it pragyaparad. It can originate from the sensual level, misuse of your senses. Too much, watching TV, too much of, radiations in the mobile phone or computers.
Food, right?
This can also be a cause of your headache, This can cause migraines also. This can cause some kind of, imbalance in the nervous system or in the brain or in the muscles. So that can cause also headache. So
there's the thing in when you need a fix, you're looking only for how to fix my problem. It's because I cannot let myself be unproductive.
Yeah.
I cannot let myself be ill.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with this. You have to fix the problem. And that's what we do in Ayurveda.
And the best way to fix it is to know the cause very well.
To fix permanently means to get rid of the problem permanently is very important.
Right.
So that's what we try to do in Ayurveda. And there are simple things we have to understand about the working of this body. How does the body works? What are the basic principles of the physical body? What are the basic principles of the mind? So this is what Ayurveda is. A very nice knowledge, and everybody should understand it.
Right.
Yeah.
So once you have a headache or the migraine attack is coming again, think about the cause.
And think about Ayurveda.
And think about Ayurveda.
Yeah.
Thank you.